how to upload longer videos on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you that how you can upload the videos longer than 60 seconds on Instagram without splitting them. So if you have 60-second videos or longer than that, so simply you have to watch this tutorial until the end. So let's get started. So the very first step you will have to do is you have to open your Play Store or App Store and check your Instagram app that is updated to its latest version or not. So simply you have to type your Instagram, and from here you will have to assure that you might have the latest version of the Instagram. So if you have not the latest version of Instagram, you have to update it. So simply click on this update option. Okay, so it's updating. Okay, so Instagram has been successfully updated to its latest version. So after you update the latest version of Instagram, you will have to open the Instagram. Okay, so from here you'll have to swipe right from your home screen to open the camera roll. So simply swipe right. And from here you will have to click on this gallery option to upload the videos on Instagram. So simply click on this gallery option. And from here you have to choose that video whom you want to upload it. So I am selecting this 1 minute video to upload on the Instagram. So simply choose the video. So as you can see, the video has been added to my Instagram, whose duration is 1 minute. So simply you can also add the videos which might be longer than 60 seconds. So simply from here you have to click on this next option. So from here you can share the video on your Instagram like without splitting them. So if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon over there. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.